Well, we have arrived.
Made it.
Where are we at here?
The Kinzua Bridge, the Skywalk.
From Route 219, turn east onto Route 6. Drive through Mount Jewett. Watch for the turnoff sign. You'll be turning left onto Kinzua Bridge Scenic Byway, State Route 3011. Drive approximately 8 miles to the park sign. Turn left and follow the access road.
Here we have it, the wheel of animal noises. Fuck yeah.
Welcome to the land of innovation. I had steam locomotives, tons of coal, and one giant problem, the valley below. Too long to go around, too steep to travel down. But, armed with ingenuity, we engineered the tallest and longest viaduct anyone had ever seen.
Nice, huh? Dude, that's sick. This would be the Skywalk. This is where the tornado came through and tore this baby down. Is that what the...
That's the story.
That's
the
what
story
happened?
higher.
Damn! 2 feet. Yeah.
President Kennedy comes and says, "There's a treaty and I'll protect the Senecas." All that time, he was talking to the governor of Pennsylvania and making a deal for the Kinzua Dam. Can you point fingers at who betrayed us? We'd have to have 1,000 hands.
Look at this damn place. Damn.